Hi Year 6! I'm from the Folkestone Academy Art Department where we love getting creative, and I've got a challenge for you. We know you might be struggling to make art at home with the lack of materials, so I'm here to show you how you can make your very own sketchbook using scrap materials at home. Here is a short video on how to do this. When you've made your sketchbook, write on each page a diary entry describing every day of your half term. What did you get up to? Once you're done, send us a picture at Folkestone Academy. We can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for listening and have a good week.